Boost your listening skills. Master note-taking with the charting method. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to today's video. In this session, we are focusing on listening comprehension strategies, specifically taking notes while listening. The spotlight today is on a powerful note-taking technique called the charting method. Get ready to supercharge your listening skills and understand English more efficiently than ever before. So, what exactly is the charting method? This note-taking strategy involves creating a chart or table to organize the information you hear. It's especially effective when you're listening to details, statistics, or comparisons. The chart's columns can represent different categories, while rows represent related points or ideas. By visually organizing information, it's easier to remember and understand. Creating your chart depends on what you're listening to. If it's a comparison between two things, you could have two columns for the items being compared and rows for different aspects. If it's about a sequence of events, columns could represent different periods, and rows could represent events. Always ensure your chart reflects the structure of the information you are receiving. Like any new skill, mastering the charting method comes with practice. Start by listening to simple English conversations or lectures, pausing as you go to fill in your chart. As you become more comfortable, try charting in real time during more complex talks. The charting method offers several benefits. It improves your focus while listening, helps you identify key points, and allows you to visually organize information. It can also be a powerful tool for reviewing material later, especially when preparing for English exams or presentations. So, that wraps up our session on the charting method for note-taking during listening. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, the more you use this method, the better you'll become at understanding English through listening. Keep practicing, and you'll be amazed at how your English comprehension skills will grow. Thanks for joining us today, and happy learning. Remember, your success in language learning is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal.